Hey guys, today's WineText is a new offering that we actually don't have yet. It's actually coming in, supposed to be here early this morning, and it actually was delayed, so it'll be here in a couple of hours. But we're talking Pinot Noir again today, and we're talking Willamette Valley. And much like if some of you remember the Scott Paul that we offered earlier this summer, that was a huge hit. This, I have a feeling, will be one of the best value-driven Pinot Noirs we've offered since the inception of WineText, which means, and you know we don't normally talk about pricing here, but if you're shopping in the under $20 price point, if you're shopping in the 15-ish price point, if you're getting today's WineText, you'll know what I mean. This is going to drive home exactly what you're looking for. So the wine is the Dois Irmaos Two Brothers Pinot Noir. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. It's got press from the Wine Enthusiast. They gave it a 91. It also got a 90 from Wine Spectator. And it's a great indication of an everyday drinking Pinot Noir that you can enjoy now or you could put in the cellar for several years to come. At this price point, a lot of you are going to look to buy the case, maybe even more. And today we're doing a free shipping bonus on 8 bottles, which most of you know on WineText offers always free shipping is on a case, and occasionally we will offer free shipping on lower amounts, and today we are. 8 bottles for this is a flat out steal. This is made by Coelho winery, which we did a small offer on a couple of weeks ago, I believe, and it's from select vineyards throughout the Willamette Valley. They're looking for the best fruit for the money to produce the highest quality Pinot. And in this case, even though I wouldn't call it a super full-bodied Pinot Noir, it does have a lot of complexity and richness where, regardless of if you're drinking Burgundy or California Pinot Noir, I would say this kind of falls in the middle. In other words, you're gonna have a lot of fans that are into both styles that will really like this. And when consider what you're paying for it, the original pricing here is much, much higher. It is a steal. So remember, Pinot is great with a variety of food. It's great for the holidays. It's great all year round. You can buy a case of this and have it on hand this spring or summer. You could drink it next Thanksgiving. You could drink it next holiday. It comes in handy in a lot of ways. And I think at the price point today, this is an absolute steal. Enjoy this one.